If you want to make your documents cleaner, easier to read, and more professional, learning how to create bulleted or numbered lists in LibreOffice Writer is a great place to start. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also show you how to switch between bullets and numbers whenever you need to. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, look to the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This opens a new blank document where you can start typing and formatting your content. Now click anywhere in the document where you want your list to begin. This is important because the list will start exactly where your cursor is placed. If you want your list in the middle of a page, underneath a heading, or after a paragraph, just make sure the cursor is in the right spot first. Next, go up to the top toolbar and look for the bulleted list icon or the numbered list icon. If you want a simple dot-style list, click Bulleted List. If you want your items to appear in order, like 1, 2, 3, click Numbered List instead. LibreOffice Writer makes this really easy, so you can choose the style that fits your document best. After you click the list icon, start typing your first item. When you finish that line, press Enter on your keyboard, and LibreOffice will automatically create the next bullet or number for you. Then just type the next item and press Enter again. You can repeat this for as many items as you need. One of the best things about this feature is that it saves you from manually formatting each line. Whether you're making notes, writing instructions, organizing ideas, or creating a report, lists help break information into clear, easy-to-follow sections. If you ever want to switch from bullets to numbers or from numbers back to bullets, you can do that anytime using the same toolbar icons. Just click the Other List option while your text is selected or while your cursor is inside the list. LibreOffice will update the formatting for you. When you're finished with your list and want to stop typing items, press Enter twice. The first enter creates a new list line, and the second enter ends the list completely. After that, you can continue typing normal text below it. And that's it. You've now learned how to create bulleted or numbered lists in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. This is a small skill, but it makes a big difference in how organized and polished your documents look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.